this game is called Skin Sticker. We're gonna try it out. I've seen that match pretty something. I'm gonna try it out. Alright. Okay, why am I graphics to move? I don't know what this is, but I'll just keep it. Wow. Alright. Okay. I kind of like old games like these. Let me make sure I'm just recording. Okay. Yeah. I really like games.
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn.
Batman or something?
Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
That's a while.
Slater, come in! Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
That's a crazy name. Yo, what is that? Like, he has hair on the front. He's like hair on the front, but on the sides it's just gone. That's what happened. Whatever. City Police Department. So, whatever it's called.
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
Oh, I don't know. I was supposed to.
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Oh. So we good. Okay, I can't run. Let's explore a little bit. Maybe. Nah. Yeah, I'm fine with
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
I'm not trying to make fun of her accent or anything, but like, it's gotta be one of the weirdest accents I've ever heard. It's not weird, the weirdest, but... Okay.
Slater!
Ew.
Sir! Dick, Detective Slater!
That you had, you...
What the fuck are you talking about?
Sir!
Look at his teeth. Why did he turn around like that?
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stable?
No, sir. But I was just thinking. If you need backup, or someone to ride along? I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your place is here, at the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about the stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. I mean, detective.
Okay, this guy is weird. He don't look like the main guy. I ain't talking to all these people. Okay. Awesome. I just...
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Why did he turn around like he... Okay, well, that's like the weirdest turnaround thing I've ever seen.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was legendary.
Yo, they gotta be doing this on purpose, right? Wow,
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then.
Okay,
But
they're
I put
doing this
down
on
that freak
purpose.
for
The city
good.
was edging on total collapse. Okay.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Yo, what is his haircut? He has hair going out the left, but not the right. And who does this guy think he is, bro? Like,
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien.
O'Brien?
You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
Ew. Oh. She's looking at the donuts. This guy looks like fat enough.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Okay, this guy's...
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What's wrong?
That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
No, it's wild. I've never seen anybody
Listen,
do things
Dick.
like that.
The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Okay, so it's just filled with corn dogs. This guy is like kind of corn water. Yo, did you just like lick the donut or something? That dude's nasty. I ain't talking to nobody else, but I don't even want to. Oh, what is that? Alright, that's... Let's see. Alright. Here. What did I just hear? Okay. pretty sure I heard what I heard, but ignore it.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Okay. You click things. Hot fresh weed. Windows inside. Okay. You click things.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it
Honestly,
stuffing
like,
wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Oh my god. I'm gonna throw him up on the screen. Why does he look like that dude? Oh my god. He looks just like him. It's like a little kid drew on his left hand. Well, on our view to the right,
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you
It's
fully
like
paid
10
off, I can
Tekashi
quit
or
this
something.
crappy job
It looks
and
just
leave
like
this
him.
city in my dust.
not XX, but Tekashi.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Oh, I thought I skipped. Alright. The Jank Wagon. Wow, the Jank Wagon. We got wieners inside, but it says drugs at the front. Wow, that's something alright. Let's see that. Yeah, I don't like how my screen goes black when I open the door.
Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
Kinda sounds like, you know, rabbits. If you guys ever watch that, you know what I'm talking about. It kinda sounds like a little bit.
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
You just
Are you calling me on the shitter
What?
again?
What do you mean
Disgusting.
again? That's wild.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
This game's actually online. You just had like a fart say goodbye, bro. Wow, that's wild. Is there anything back here? I hope I don't gotta go back here. I'd be like, I don't want to go back there. I just chill here. Oh, I gotta get some like fresh wieners or something. Grab the box of the mystery meat from out and go out back. Alright. I'm like, I don't really like it back here. Whoa, why don't I block?
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
I don't know why. It's because I'm tired, but I didn't really scare me that bad. Is that a toothbrush?
Oh, I love jokes. Especially the ones with the killer punchline.
Why does he
Cool.
sound like that?
Great talk. You need something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
I thought we were dead. I didn't really. Alright, we
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
I don't get what we had. Oh, so that was the box. Okay. Thought I did like an Easter egg or something. I don't know why the box would be right there. Do I need to throw it in here? Oh. Oh. Ugh. Oh my god, bro. That's wild.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro? You tripping?
I was about to say, how many times do we have to do this? The box. Put the wieners in the hot dog bar. Eat this. Okay. I didn't mean to hold that. Can I drop it? Hey, bro, you want a wiener? Got one right here. Right in my hand. I don't have a finished hot dog. Yo, like I didn't even mean to. Or even is the toaster. How did I do this? Oh my. Now, holding on. Make new customer a hot dog.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready.
I don't have a finished hot dog.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Why would he? Who eats a hot dog like that? I didn't even talk to the dude. He just downs a hot dog like that. How do you even eat a bun like that, bro? This game's wild. It's actually pretty funny though. I'm gonna leave it in the link It's free for right now. It's a demo. It don't seem bad. Like, kind of seems like a little funny. Oh, God, teeth. Have you heard the biggest one? I don't have a finished. Okay. I'm like a pro at this now. I know what to do. Stop. Oh, look. You like crossing my arms all weird.
Weaver is ready. 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 Weaver is
Yo. Like brothers. Okay. The game came out on purpose. Why is everyone down in it like that? First it's Gooner, and it's edging. Now they're down in hot dogs. Like that. It's wild. Wow. Yeah, I'm not glad. I don't want to work here no more. Oh, it's a creepy dude. I think. Is that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. You know, I'm gonna turn my graphics up. Okay, that's what the game is. Yeah, that's him alright. I was wearing a different coat this time. He has hair. Oh, I don't think I remember that.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little more unique. Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
He said flesh, like, I'm pretty sure the only flesh is human flesh, so it's a little weird.
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
So why wouldn't you just assume he's the person? Either A, he doesn't know, but if he does, he's tall. Look at his teeth. Look at his skin. And just look at him. And he's asking for staples? It's wild.
Why do you need staples this late at night?
I feel like the game will try to not make it too obvious, but they want to like they're like, oh, some people trying to make it not obvious, but they're trying to make it like not obvious, but it is obvious, but it is some like basically reverse psychology. But
Oh,
do they not know
you
that?
could say I'm working on a little art project.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet. Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
What did he say? He say see you soon. Yeah, I'm gonna go watch that guy actually. Okay. Make me customer hot dog. Really? Oh. everything. What to do?
Weaver is ready. Weaver.
Oh. So that like 0.2 seconds. Okay. This is nasty now. Ooh. Yeah, people in the city are not normal. Why are you eating a hot dog like that? Is that what I think that's in his right leg? Okay. But where'd that one guy go? Is he really bad? I don't know. Could've just walked straight here, but. Yo, is that 21, but like mixed with some? Okay. Just making hot. Oh, their heads follow you. I didn't even notice that.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready.
Don't eat it in a weird way. Why is he doing that? And he like tilts is where he's facing me. I could see it. The hot dog can't be that good, right? I don't know. I've ate decent hot dogs. They're really not that good. I mean, they're good, but can't be that good. I gotta down them like food's not running from you. It's right there. Oh, I want to go back there. Yeah, I want to know where that guy went. Oh, she just disappeared. Oh, never mind. Thought she died. I thought creepy dude back there kills her or something.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
Look at him. He's like watching.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon?
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Be like, oh, little motion back there. I'd run out the store. I did buy you to run. Why is it taking this long? Everybody takes like 3 seconds. Okay. That was a little weird.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready.
Oh my.
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem? It seems you're all out of staples. I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you. Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
Did he kill someone back there?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend. Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever. By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
That's just nasty. Why did they design his body like that? I need to stay at the register now. Alright. What did he do to the toilet? Alright. What's wrong?
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I better grab the plunger.
Why is the... Jesus, I won't even touch this plunger, bro. It's disgusting. Oh. Maybe guys? Oh my god. Why does he gotta slam it down so aggressive? Alright. I'm like a workout right now. Please work. Oh, why would you stick your face out?
This stupid thing isn't working.
Oh my god, move your head. Move your head. What are you doing?
What the? What is that sound?
Oh my god, move your head. Why would you stick it down?
I am the great mighty Pooh, and I'm going to throw my shit at you.
I was just covered with pooch. Who sticks their head down? Like, oh god, okay, why are we getting a 360? Let's go. Never did that for the
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside. Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
Resting your eyes, yeah, for sure.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
I need to teach me, like, how to rest his eyes like that. So
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Who says nudies? You could just say noodles, like... You're gonna nuke them? What? I go the correct way? Oh, there.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go. Alright, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Okay.
Ugh. Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
Objective update. Investigate ball. Oh yeah, smack it. That's definitely gonna fix it. Oh, okay. Jesus. Wow.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
Where'd the ball?
I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
What balls? Polish bowling balls. Excuse me. There are no balls back here, lady. But
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase Elaine, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks, I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6.
you don't have to like stare at.
Total creep.
Alright. Oh. Is he like right in front of me? I'm pretty sure I just saw his face.
All right, time to clean the stinky shoes.
I beg your pardon. So, where do I clean these shoes? Oh, okay.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Ew. That's just plain out disgusting. Why would you like the smell of stinky shoes, right? Never met a person that likes the smell of them. I'll spray that guy in the face. Oh, no.
That should do it.
Faster. Okay, return to the register. Alright.
Where did that
He's on
weirdo
our left.
go?
He's
He
on
didn't
our
even do any
left.
bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Nudies. Is he gonna be waiting for me? Because I'm pretty sure I saw his face right there. Not around there.
I'll eat this back at the register.
It scared me too bad, but I really did not expect him to be there. Where am I? Oh.
What happened?
Oh yeah, you're dead. What? What?
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp? I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What? What do you mean?
Oh, we're dead.
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Oh my god, he said it so aggressive.
Please, don't.
Nah, I think it's too late. Oh. Oh! Oh! Yeah, there's no saving her. Her head's gone. Oh. Oh. Did he just like shoot or something? Or is he like... What's he doing? Is he like shooting body or something? Why would you do that? Because she's already... Oh. Oh god. He skinned her.
Today. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Oh my god, he's stapling her skin to the wall. Oh my. Those like private numbers or something. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, that's her face. Oh my gosh, her face. That's the end of the game? Oh. Oh. Alright. Well, if you guys enjoyed, hit that. I can subscribe to whatever. Alright, well. I'll see you guys later. You guys can maybe see me play the full game. I'll throw on my wish list. But, until then, I think, I'll just catch you guys later. Alright? Well, goodbye. Okay, guys, before I end this video, please, for the love of God, like and subscribe, even comment any other games. This took me so long to edit, probably up to an hour, but no, probably like 3, but catch y'all later.